Hey there. Welcome to BarCraft Made Simple, the ultimate channel for anyone looking to up their bartending game. Whether you're a total beginner or already mixing drinks at home, here we make bartending fun, easy, and accessible for everyone. So, what's this channel all about? It's simple. We're here to help you master the basics of bartending, learn how to make delicious cocktails, and discover insider tips that'll have you serving up drinks like a pro in no time. We focus on the fundamentals, like how to shake, stir, and pour your drinks the right way. Whether it's understanding when to shake versus stir, learning how to rim a glass like a pro, or getting the hang of essential techniques like muddling and free pouring, we've got you covered with short, to-the-point tutorials. And it's not just about the basics. We'll also show you how to take your cocktails to the next level with simple tricks like perfect garnishing, layering cocktails, and making your presentation pop. Looking for recipes? We've got tons of those too. Classic drinks like Margaritas, old-fashioned, and Martinis, along with fun and trendy cocktails you can impress your friends with. We make sure every recipe is easy to follow, so you can enjoy amazing cocktails without the stress. Plus, we'll help you avoid common bartending mistakes and give you insider tips, like how to choose the right glass for each drink or set up your home bar on a budget. And don't worry if you're not sure what tools you need. We'll guide you through the must-have bar tools and gadgets that make mixing drinks a breeze. Whether you're using a Boston shaker or just learning how to use a jigger properly, our goal is to make sure you're confident behind the bar. Whether you're mixing drinks for yourself, your friends, or at a party, we want you to have fun with it and feel proud of the cocktails you create. So, if you're ready to learn how to make amazing drinks, improve your bartending skills, and impress your guests with pro-level presentation, this is the channel for you. Check out the shorts we've already posted and check back regularly. Even better. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And don't forget to like, share, and recommend our channel to your friends and co-workers. Let's shake, stir, and pour together. Cheers.